Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making spicy fried chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of buttermilk, 3 eggs, 3/4 cups of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1½ tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of water, and canola oil for frying. Coat your chicken with the buttermilk, then cover with plastic wrap. Transfer to your refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours. To your flour, add the onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Now add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. In a separate dish, mix together the eggs, hot sauce, and water. After 2 hours, remove the chicken from the refrigerator, then dredge in the egg wash, then flour mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Heat the oil to medium-high heat, then fry your chicken until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Remove the chicken from the pot, then place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. This fried chicken is crispy and spicy. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.